Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Simran. So today's topic is about the retinoids. I love them, I tried them, I tested them, using them for so many years, and I think they work. So without wasting further time, let's get started. But before going further, can you please take a moment, click on the subscribe button. One subscribe can bring one smile into my face. So yeah, please do that. Just a quick glance to those who don't know what retinoids are. Retinoids are the form of vitamin A. They are the crown jewels of anti-aging. They have proven their worth every time that they are known to stop and sometimes reverse the sign of the aging. It doesn't mean that you're not going to grow old. I believe you're going to grow old and wrinkly, but maybe not that old or that wrinkly, which you would be finally if you're not doing anything to your skin. And retinoids work, guys, because I have used them and I have seen the result. There is any product on this earth that actually work, that is the vitamin A and vitamin C. So at the end of this video, you will be able to know what types of retinoids are there in the market, and if you have any anti-aging cream, types of retinoid are there in your cream. To make you guys understand simply, I have made a table, and in the table, the uppermost is the form of the retinoid that is the low in effectiveness, that is low in the performance, and also low in irritation. And as you move down the arrow, there comes the retinoid that are high in performance, but again they are high in irritation. So if you are someone who is using retinoid for the first time, then you should start with retinoid aster, because they are the least irritating type of retinoid and are known to have no irritation or no purging in your skin. For example, if your cream is having retinol palmate, that have to be converted into retinol, that have to be converted into retinaldehyde, that have to be converted into retinoin, retinoic acid, or retin A. So yes, if you are starting with that, your skin has to undergo 3 metabolic process to convert it into retinoic acid, and retinoic acid is the only form of vitamin A which our skin can understand, which our skin can take, which our skin has the receptors to take beneath. So this is the most effective form of retinoid, but again they are most irritating. Now without further wasting time, let's talk about the products that have the retinols in them. And the products that I will be suggesting to you will be the fragrance free, essential oil free, and alcohol free, and free from every icky ingredients that you can find on any other product. So first one is the Neutrogena Ageless Intensive Deep Wrinkle Moisture Night Cream, and second is the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Anti-Wrinkle Cream. There are not many creams in anti-aging that are fragrance free, but there are many creams in anti-aging that have fragrance, and if you want me to make a video on that, then please let me know in the comments. Highest in strength, it has a retinoic acid, आपका retinoin. It is retinoin cream 0.02. I have used it many times, but earlier I have used Seborrheic gel, which was more gentler than this cream. This cream caused me little purging, and Seborrheic gel was much gentler than this one. Please don't use it without the prescription of the doctor, because every skin is different, you may react differently. Please find a doctor, please find your retinoid cream, and it actually works. It works wonder for my skin. It will work wonder for you if you get it prescribed by your doctor. So please don't use it like that, watching any of the videos. They work, guys, they actually work. So yeah, I come across this brand Be Minimalist. They have a grain active retinoid. Now this is another form of retinol. They do not have to be converted into any other form of retinoid, and they get directly into our skin. And the advantage of them are they are less irritable, they are good in performance, and they are more stable. Because I'm breastfeeding my child, that's why I'm not using retinoid, and it's been last 2 years that I have not used retinoids. If you are breastfeeding, if you're pregnant, please don't use retinol. Now coming to the options for the people like me who are either breastfeeding or are pregnant or cannot take retinoids because they're sensitive to it or they have some fears towards the retinoid. So this is for them, but actually this is more for me. I did this for myself rather than anyone else. So I find this brand Skincare Revolution, and their products are actually awesome. They work. So we have Skincare Revolution Bakuchiol Serum. I think I'm pronouncing it right, but my pronunciation is very bad, so it's okay. So Bakuchiol Serum, it is a plant derived retinoids, and it is known to be safe to be used during pregnancy and breastfeeding, and currently I'm using this and it is very good. But obviously it is good, like not that good as retinoid, because tretinoin is a gold standard that I have used, and it will be very unfair or will be biased to say that they are not good. Like, they are good, but obviously not that good as tretinoin, but yeah, they are good. So they are safe, and plus they are less irritating than any retinoids that you can find in the market. And then there is a Skincare Revolution 10% matrix type of a peptide, that there are many eye creams that uses the peptides, because peptides are known to increase the collagen production. Peptides are actually very gentle on the skin, so you can use it under your eye area. So if you have a problem of fine lines, wrinkles, then these are the best options in the market. Also, there are many eye creams, but they are quite expensive, and I find this a pretty good deal, and it's of Skincare Revolution, and the brand I love. The products are pretty awesome, and I have tried many of the products, and I think they're worth a try.